You probably know that the biggest issue facing most small businesses today is getting more leads. They don't care about fancy tools or clever marketing, just customers and results with as little work as possible. Now you can leverage a new all-in-one AI solution that drives perpetual leads for yourself and clients if you run an agency business in minutes just by typing a keyword. But before I show you how it works, you're going to have to make a major decision regardless of what you do on this page today. You can either embrace artificial intelligence and have an AI business, or seriously risk losing your job and business to AI automation soon. Due to machine learning, AI will eventually create marketing materials and do jobs better than humans. And reports by significant research companies estimate millions of jobs could be replaced by AI soon. So what if you could future-proof yourself with a done-for-you AI system that delivers fresh, targeted leads for your business just by entering a keyword, and use it to run a video lead agency business that helps small mom-and-pop business owners too? With a business like that, you wouldn't have to hard sell, you wouldn't have to educate them, and you wouldn't have to wait months to see results. All because you're giving them something they understand and really need right now. Leads that stuff cash in their pockets. The only problem is, even in the age of AI, creating solid lead campaigns that actually convert is still hard, expensive, and time-consuming. With individual AI tools coming out, getting leads and sales for yourself or clients on a perpetual basis takes work. First, you need to design and build a lead generation website. Then, make the copy and ads individually. Waste time trying to get traffic working, and then pray that you break even. But finally, for the first time ever, you can let new AI create fully congruent video lead campaigns and auto-submit them to ad managers automatically. Hey, 8-figure entrepreneurs Ben Murray and Abhi Dwivedi here. And ever since we learned about generating leads online, we've dreamed about the ability to create a tool that could do this that anyone can use and afford. Finally, we figured out how to make fully congruent video marketing lead campaigns by just entering a keyword that contained video lead pages with AI copy, AI video ads, AI unique images, powerful lead magnets, and even adds auto-submission to ads accounts managers. All thanks to Click Agency AI, the first all-in-one AI tool that runs a video lead generation marketing agency for you, creating fully congruent campaigns with landing pages, matching ads, videos, and more with just a keyword. Plus, Click Agency AI helps get the clients for your agency using AI and manages them with unique agency portal features no other app has. Anyone can use Click Agency AI in 4 easy steps. Step 1, enter a keyword. Enter a keyword and Click Agency AI will go to work creating a high-converting video lead campaign and amazing marketing materials entirely for you. Step 2, preview and customize your already finished campaign. The AI assistant creates video lead campaigns and marketing materials for clients in any niche, and full agency campaigns that target specific types of clients for your lead generation agency business. Step 3, customize if you want. Everything the AI creates is fully customizable with drag and drop technology. Customize your AI video lead page using templates and the landing page editor. Customize the AI video ads and VSLs with easy cloud editing. Add unique AI-based images for even higher conversions with the Magic Image Maker. Customize your AI ads if needed and add more lead or agency materials in just a click. Step 4, auto-submit and get paid. Auto-submit any lead campaign to specific ads managers in a click for you or your client to run. Then, get paid for the campaign or to run the campaign if you want. Plus, create individual marketing lead materials or agency materials and sell them for any price too. Unique features never seen before in any app include automate congruent AI video lead generation campaigns. Type a keyword to instantly create your client's lead generation campaign and submit the ads to ads managers in a click. Create lead campaigns for any business offline or online and run AdWords, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and other PPC campaigns if you want. Automate congruent AI agency lead generation campaigns to land clients. Instantly generate your own AI lead funnel to auto-get new clients for your agency while you sleep. Create specific campaigns that target clients in a single niche, like campaigns that land plumbing clients or campaigns that land piano studio clients just by entering a keyword. Auto submission to ads managers. Integrate your agency clients' AdWords or Facebook accounts into Click Agency AI and have the app auto-submit the high-converting lead campaign directly to their ads manager for them to start using to get leads automatically. High-converting landing page templates with drag-and-drop editing. Build great landing pages from our built-in library of templates, including general and local business niches, fully populated with high-converting unique AI copy. Tweak your landing page, image ads, and more any way you want with Click Agency AI's easy editing tool. AI Image Creation Engine. Make images from keywords. Enter a keyword and use our AI Image Generator to create a unique image from scratch for your lead campaigns. Create powerful images fast that stand out on timelines no one's seen before to get attention and save thousands on premium stock photos. AI Advanced Persuasive Copywriting. Watch the powerful AI pump out eyeball-grabbing headlines, subject lines, intros, descriptions, features, benefits, and so much more like legendary copywriters in seconds, all congruent across your pages and ads. AI, VSL, and lead video creation. Automatically create engaging video ads and VSLs with our revolutionary AI-powered technology. Enter a keyword and utilize AI advanced script writing specifically for ultra-high converting videos. Easy Lead Video Editor. And all your videos are easily editable with the Cloud Video Editor too. Change around slides, edit text and font size, add background images, add background jingle music. Plus, even add amazing realistic voiceovers with the voiceover technology built into the editing tool. Have your videos read by a realistic sounding spokespeople with many options to choose from and much more. AI powerful lead magnets. Instantly create valuable lead magnets to explode your opt-in rates for yourself and your clients. No writing or special knowledge needed. Create these fast in any niche for your lead generation campaigns. Agency client technology integration. Integrate each client into the app and manage their social accounts and add their autoresponders for the lead pages. Even allow clients to access the software if you want to create their own campaigns and marketing materials. Create agency materials. Use Click Agency to create professional letterheads, invoices, press releases, and content marketing materials like blog articles from Medium.com or YouTube videos to build a viral YouTube channel in a click. Build assets that send clients to you for no cost all day long. Lightning fast page load time. Host your lead pages on the Click Agency AI server and never worry about downloading or installing anything. Our pages load in under 3 seconds to convert as much traffic as possible. Faster than much more expensive page builders. And many more features than that, like training and tutorials. Add retargeting scripts and autoresponders. Everything's mobile friendly and more. Click Agency AI helps replace all these expensive SaaS services. And look how many more features you get compared to the other popular commercial lead softwares. Okay, I know you're anxious to get Click Agency AI with all its incredible features, but we just want to up the ante. That's why we're going to make sure that you get the commercial license with your investment at no additional charge today. This allows you to sell the video lead campaigns for any price you choose. And you're getting the agency license and technology as a special bonus today only. This means you can give clients access to the software for clients to manage and create their marketing materials while you sit back and relax. And as another VIP bonus, you'll get special training on how to run the PPC ads you create. You don't need to run ads for clients to make money selling lead campaigns or marketing materials with Click Agency AI. But if you want to, as a VIP limited time bonus, you'll get detailed PPC training from us. But to support the bandwidth for this cloud technology and provide you with world-class support, we have to raise the price every few hours. Click Agency AI will soon be sold for a monthly subscription after the special launch period ends. However, if you buy now, you'll lock in access month to month for a one-time only super low fee today. A fair warning, this incredible price you see below will disappear soon. If you don't agree that this is the biggest opportunity in 2023 and Click Agency AI is super easy to get results after trying, then you pay nothing. It's that simple. If you try out Click Agency AI and can't get any clients or can't get any leads with the AI marketing engine, just let us know and you'll get a full refund. Yep, you're entitled to a 14-day money-back guarantee if you can't get Click Agency AI to succeed immediately. Remember, you can start thinking of your business as an AI business and heavily embrace AI technology, or risk losing both your online and offline job to those that do. The AI technology, tools, and templates inside Click Agency AI are worth thousands. And as you've seen, there's no other enterprise solution that does what Click Agency AI can do. For one small investment, you're getting a complete system to create AI lead funnels in 60 seconds. Plus, dozens of ways to create amazing marketing materials to use or sell for any price. Hurry, grab it now before we switch to a monthly fee at triple the price you're getting it for today. Click the button below to secure your license, and we'll see you inside the Click Agency AI Members Dashboard.